Hello, if you are using Shopify and you have a product with multiple colors, this video is for you. In this video, I will show you how can you improve your product page by showing only selected color images. So if people selecting pink here, we just should see pink images, and if they select green, we should see only green images. And also we will visually show all the available options here instead of these buttons. So to achieve this, we are going to use an app. This app is built by my company, so we are going to search it on our search bar. It's Rubik variant images. So here we just need to click on install. Okay, now app is installed, so we can start configuring it. Let's first select our product. And as a next step, we just need to assign here all relevant images. So for black images, let's select these ones. And for pink, let's select these images. And for green, let's select these images. Red and yellow. So we can save this configuration. And now we can activate the app on our theme. So we have here only one theme, Horizon, and we can click here to enable app on our theme. So when this page opens, only thing you need to do is to click on Save button, and then you can close the tab. So basically close this tab and you can say I have done it. So now we can again visit our product page and see how it looks like. So now I will refresh the page. Sometimes there might be a cache, so you might need to refresh page a couple of times, but I see it's already works. So when I click on pink, it shows only pink images, and on black, only black images, and same goes for other colors. Now I want to add one more feature, and I want to add all available options here. So let's go back to the app, and here we can go here to swatches and enable swatches. Here again we need to enable swatches on our theme, so we are clicking here, and this time we will enable swatch. So you see it's already selected. Only thing we need to do is to click on save, and then we can close this tab. Now we can click on check status, and we see it's already enabled on our Horizon theme. And now we need to specify here for which options we want to show images actually. So let's see here. Here our option is called color, and we just it's already by default here. So we don't need to do anything. I will just now refresh the page. And I see it's already visible, so I can see all the variant image swatches here. And now I can also change the design of it, but the default design already is nice. We choose the best design, but you can click here and modify the design. If you want, you can make it rounded corners, you can play with color as well, you can make it circle. Let's try round corners, and let's see how it looks like. Yeah, it's immediately changed it, and you can also play with different color options, but this is by default would already look nice on your website. So for example, let's say I don't want sold out this line to be different color. I can also change that as well. So let's say here I want to make it red color. Let's save it, and let's see. Yeah, it's red now, so everything is possible to change here. We can also make it circle. We can make it a little bit bigger. Let's check again. Yeah, it's circle. And yeah, but in my opinion, I think square or rounded was the perfect. So I will just make it again square, and we can leave it like this. I think it looks amazing. I just don't like the order of the images here, so that's also possible to change. So let's go back to Rubik app and check our configured product. We just need to actually sort our products by correct order. So let's say I want to make these images first. So let's make all of them first. And all the open ones are the last. So I can make it here last, and also here, this is last, here it's last. And this one also should be last option. And yes, let's see. It can be like this, then it will look much better. Yes, now it works correctly, it shows correctly. And yeah, all the images are much more consistent, and users can see all the possible options on the screen. Yes, and this also works for zoom functionality. They can see only selected colors, so they don't need to be distracted, so they see exactly what they are buying instead of being distracted with all other options. So this makes your page much cleaner, it increases your conversion rate and will decrease your return rates as well. Thank you for watching and hope it will help you.